Welcome on a wonderful Sunday, the last one for this month, which is April 2022. 4 months gone this year, really, really quickly. But we have to also do that on this video. So, tech news very, very quickly. Right, there's a bit of them phone launches, there's some updates, all that. But yeah, let's get started. WhatsApp 32 people call feature is now rolling out. So yes, you can have a big group of 32 people in a call. That's rolling out. I don't know what would be that occasion, that reason that you want 32 people in the same call. But yeah, if you want, that's rolling out now. Moto G52 is coming to India tomorrow, which is on Monday, which is 25th. Yes, 25th of April. Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 and 12 Ultra are also coming on April 27th in India, and they look like Amazon exclusive so far. More phone launches: OnePlus 10R, Poco F4 GT, IQOO Z6 Pro, Realme GT Neo 3. They are all slated to launch in this last week. It starts tomorrow and goes until 30th of April. So this last week has a lot of phone launches. That's what Realme and Xiaomi does. Different rebranding, and the whole BBK group does. So OnePlus, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Poco, all these phones, they keep coming. Okay, all third-party call recording apps on Android will disappear and stop working from May 11. That's Google's new policy, so they will delete all call recording apps which are not by default on. So if you have a dialer which is like Xiaomi or Samsung or OnePlus, which has call recording feature inbuilt, it will still work. But third-party apps downloaded from Play Store and installed via APK, whatever, they will not work. All of them will stop working. The deadline is May 11th. Okay, real-world images of Google's Pixelwatch have leaked. So now is for sure coming. Hopefully this year, hopefully soon. That's what we can assume. And also Poco smartwatch is coming. That will be the first smartwatch under Poco sub-brand from Xiaomi, and that is coming with Poco F4 GT, hopefully on 27th of April or something. Okay, Realme GT2 launched in India with Snapdragon 888. All phones are getting expensive. This is also expensive at 35k. But yeah, if you still want a heating SoC, go ahead buy it. Instagram is testing new formats for Reels because people keep posting their TikToks on Instagram as Reels, and they really want that to stop. They want people to have more options, not to post TikToks on Instagram. iOS gained 8% market share in the world from Android, and that could mean just because it's selling like hotcakes in India, because they are making everything in India, even iPhone 13. So the prices have reduced. I'm sure a lot of Indians have gone iOS now. I was tempted as well. I might do that sometime soon. Let's see. And Brazil's court ordered Apple to pay a buyer for not including charger in the box. So there are some countries in the world which are still very, very consumer centric, and Brazil is one of those countries. Brazil wants Apple to include charger, not just Apple. Every company that sells a phone in that country in Brazil to include a charger in the box. France is the only country in the world which wants every phone manufacturer to have headphones bundled in the box, because they believe that cell phone use, when you put it on the ear, it causes a lot of radiation. So if you can use a headphone instead, it would be lesser. So these countries are doing amazing stuff. I wish India could do the same, but yeah, we can just wish. That's all for today. Really quick one. Come back every Saturday, Sunday for Web3 news and tech news, and this is all from me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I would love to be having more subscribers, people who come regularly and watch the videos. And otherwise, I love you all. Take care. Talk to you soon. Yeah, that's it from me.